Good morning, children. History is an interesting subject. It paves ways for learning lot of new words. Words have power. Do you agree with me? If you conquer words, you can also conquer the world. Word power is mightier than the sword. We have a good package of new words in our glossary. Our students learned many words. Let me see who can answer efficiently. Now we have with us Rishwan.
E. Harshit.
M. Subiksan. Conflict.
A serious disagreement.
முரண்பாடு.
Ascending. Leading upwards.
ஏறுவரிசையில்.
Subsequently. After a particular thing.
நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு பிறகு.
Adorned. Decorated.
அலங்கரிக்கப்பட்ட.
Pillaging. Robbing.
கொள்ளையடிப்பு.
Intrigue. Conspire.
சூழ்ச்சி.
Primogeniture. After the right succession belonging to the first child.
வாரிசுரிமை.
Splendor. Magnificent.
கம்பீரம்.
Flourishing. Growing successfully.
செழிப்பு.
Prominence. The state of being important.
முக்கியத்துவம்.
Indemnity. Guarantee.
உத்திரவாதம்.
Subiksan, what do you know about turquoise?
Turquoise is a semi-precious stone. Sky blue in color. Turquoise is one of the bejeweled royal seals of Persian kings. Described in Firdausi Shahnama.
Harshit, what do you know about Amukta Malyada? Amukta Malyada is considered a masterpiece in Telugu literature. It relates the story of the daughter of Periyalvar Goda Devi Andal, who used to wear garlands intended for Lord Ranganatha before they were offered to the deity, and hence the name Amukta Malyada is considered, who used to wear and gives away garlands. Rishwan, where is Vijayanagar located?
Rishwan, where was Vijayanagar?
The site of the city of Vijayanagar on the bank of the river Tungabhadra in eastern Karnataka, now called Hampi. Hampi is in ruins and the UNESCO has declared at a heritage site.